Well, after a painful 200+ mile drive from Bristol to Suffolk in the van in limp mode, I eventually made it home without breaking down, so that was a bonus. I did think I might have to call the recovery truck out once or twice, especially when the slightest of hills, the van was like absolutely gutless. On the M4, which has basically got no hills, I was in like 3rd gear, flat out, just trying to get up the hills. Lorries were overtaking me. It wasn't funny for anyone. It was painful. I was like cowering down in the chair. But anyway, I got back to Suffolk. My mate very kindly offered to look at it that night. We plugged the code reader back in again, and obviously got the same fault codes where it said the exhaust gas temperature sensor was the biggest issue. So we rooted around under the engine. We tested the 2 of the 3 exhaust gas temperature sensors, and one of them had an open circuit, so there was absolutely no resistance. So we're assuming, or we're hoping, that that's the issue. This morning, it's now Monday, I've phoned around basically all the motor factors around the Ipswich area, and Euro Car Parts have got one in stock. Out of all the ones I phoned, they're the only people that have got one in stock, and it's 160 quid. It's mad. It's like this little thing this big and it's 160 quid. But anyway, it's better than paying thousands of pounds, I suppose, if it was anything else. Like the EGR valve being stuck, that was my worst nightmare. So yeah, I'm on the way there now. It's 160 quid. I'm gonna go and grab it. I'm gonna shoot back to my dad's where the van is now, and try and fix it. And hopefully that'll clear the fault. But that's what this video is gonna be, just trying to fix the van, trying to get back on the road. But we're going through some issues at the minute, me and the van. We're having a bit of a, not a break up, but we might need a little break. If this doesn't fix it, we'll definitely need a break. So yeah, fingers crossed, it sorts it. Here she is, 160 quid. 160 quid for that. Let's hope it's the right one, shall we? And we're back at the van, and this is the offending article, we think. This here is a exhaust gas temperature sensor. There's one here, and there's another one like down there on the cap, right down the bottom there. You can't see it probably on that. And basically we've tested between the connections on this, and there should be a resistance. I'm not sure what the resistance should be, but there should be something. And we're basically getting nothing, so it's an open circuit, whereas that one we're at least getting a reading. So that is the bad boy. So that's my 160 quid, this little thing here. So just going to whip that out and replace it, start the van and plug the diagnostic back in, and hopefully that'll fix it. Fingers crossed. And for those of you who are observant, before anyone says anything, I have randomly just decided to get my nose pierced in Ipswich. So that's what this dodgy thing is. So I think I'm going through something, maybe like an early midlife crisis, but something's happening to me. So let's get this replaced. Parts replaced. Yeah. Right, hang on a minute, let me sort you out. New sensors in. It's pissing down with rain like true British weather. Unbelievable. I started this year in the sunshine. Right, so new sensors in. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this sorts it. Nope, we're still flashing. Still flashing. Unbelievable. Okay, right, let's plug the the reader back in again and see if we can clear it. Two codes found. Okay. Yep, recodes. Love it. Still there. Just what we want. Unbelievable. Okay. Erase codes. Erase trouble codes. Yes. Turn. What did I say? Turn key on with engine off. Alright then. We'll do that. Oh my god. Okay, engine's off. Let's try again. Not having it. It's not having it, yeah. Try again. One code found. Alright, let's stay up. Oh. Erase failure. Why? Mate, this is doing me now. Stressing me, bro. The light's gone off. Look at it. Maybe it has worked. Maybe I just didn't give it a chance. Right, let's try again. Right, exit this test, let's do another one. One code found. I don't know what that means. Okay, it's not letting me do that, that's fine. Anyway, good news is, let me just read the information. Exhaust temperature. -40. That's not right, is it? Intake air temperature -40. That's definitely not right. Anyway, the point is, the light has gone off. Yes! Right. Hopefully I sorted it. Cool, right, I'm taking the van for a drive. If there's another video after this about the van, you'll know that it screwed it and I've probably scrapped the van because I'm sick of it. Yeah, hopefully that's fixed it and we can get back on road. More videos to follow.